Welcome back to CU Coin Value, your ultimate destination for uncovering the secrets of rare and valuable coins. Today, we'll dive deep into a seemingly simple coin, the 1980 UK Elizabeth II 1 penny. At first glance, it might look ordinary, but trust me, there's more to this coin than meets the eye. Could this humble penny be worth a fortune? Let's find out. The 1980 UK 1 penny is part of the decimal coinage system introduced in 1971, replacing the old pounds, shillings, and pence. By the 1980s, the UK government was minting 1 penny coins in large quantities to support growing trade and commerce. This coin features the iconic image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, designed by Arnold Machin, showcasing her grace and strength. On the reverse, you'll find the traditional depiction of a portcullis with chains, a symbol of the British Parliament. The 1981 penny was minted as part of a regular circulation series. Its primary purpose was to serve as a low-denomination coin for everyday transactions. But certain features of this coin have made collectors turn their attention to it in recent years. Now, you might wonder, why would a coin from 1980 hold any value? The answer lies in its rarity and condition. Although millions of these coins were minted, finding one in mint condition or with unique errors is incredibly rare today. One key factor that collectors look for is the absence of a mint mark. A 1981 penny without a mint mark indicates it was minted in the main Royal Mint facility. While this might sound common, the absence of any imperfections or errors on such coins makes them highly sought after. Over time, collectors have realized the value of these coins, particularly those with pristine luster or interesting die errors. Coins from this era are increasingly becoming rare, especially in uncirculated conditions. So, let's talk numbers. A standard circulated 1981 penny might fetch a modest price, but a coin in mint, uncirculated condition could be valued as high as $50 to $100. Error coins or those with unique features could go even higher, reaching $300 to $500 at auctions. The value of this coin depends heavily on its condition. Coins graded as brilliant uncirculated or higher are much more valuable than their worn-out counterparts. Grading services like PCGS and NGC can authenticate and grade your coin, significantly increasing its market value. One reason this coin has gained attention is nostalgia. Coins from the 1980s are now considered vintage, and collectors are willing to pay a premium to complete their collections. Additionally, the increasing interest in Queen Elizabeth II memorabilia after her passing has further boosted its demand. It's not just UK collectors who are interested in this coin. The 1981 penny has caught the attention of international coin enthusiasts, making it a global collector's item. If you're lucky enough to own a 1981 penny in excellent condition, you can sell it at coin auctions, online marketplaces like eBay, or even specialized numismatic dealers. But wait, there's more. Let's explore the fascinating details that make this coin stand out. Some 1981 penny coins may have die cracks, misprints, or doubling errors. These unique features can make a coin extraordinarily valuable. If you spot one, you could be sitting on a gold mine. For many collectors, owning a 1981 penny is more than an investment. It's a piece of history, a connection to a bygone era of Queen Elizabeth II's reign. If you're just starting your coin collection, the 1981 penny is an excellent choice. Look for coins with minimal wear, shiny surfaces, and sharp details. Remember, every scratch or blemish reduces its value. One of the best parts of coin collecting is the thrill of finding a rare gem in your pocket change or at a flea market. Keep an eye out. You never know when a valuable 1981 penny might come your way. Imagine the journeys a 1981 penny has taken over the decades. From bustling markets to private collections, each coin has its own unique story. Even if you don't find a perfect coin right away, don't lose hope. Persistence pays off, and the joy of discovering a valuable coin is worth the effort. So, is the 1981 penny valuable? Absolutely. But its true value lies in the passion it inspires among collectors. If you're a coin enthusiast or just curious, start looking through your old coins. Who knows? You might already have a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Join online forums, attend coin fairs, and connect with fellow collectors. Sharing your finds and learning from others is an incredible way to grow your passion. Coins like the 1981 penny are more than collectibles, they're investments. As demand grows, so will their value. Remember, every coin has a story, and every collector has the power to uncover it. The 1980 UK Elizabeth II 1 penny might seem small, but its potential value is anything but. So, keep hunting, keep collecting, and keep dreaming big. Next up, the 1994 UK Elizabeth II 1 penny coin. Could this small coin be worth a fortune in the future? Let's find out why this coin holds such incredible potential. The 1994 1 penny coin belongs to the decimal coinage system introduced in 1971. By this time, the penny was a well-established part of UK currency, widely used in everyday transactions. This coin was struck by the Royal Mint with the familiar image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the iconic portcullis design on the reverse. The 1994 1 penny was minted as part of the ongoing need for low-denomination coins in the UK. However, what makes this coin stand out is its potential rarity in the future as coins from this era gradually disappear from circulation. The uniqueness of the 1994 1 penny lies in its condition, potential errors, and its historical significance as part of Queen Elizabeth II's long reign. Coins with no mint mark were produced at the main Royal Mint, and while they may not seem rare now, pristine examples are becoming harder to find. Absolutely. Coins like the 1994 1 penny have a way of appreciating in value over time. As fewer of these coins remain in circulation and collectors seek perfect specimens, their demand could skyrocket in the numismatic market. As of now, a standard circulated 1994 1 penny holds minimal monetary value. However, coins in uncirculated or mint condition can fetch prices between $5 to $20, depending on their grade. Error coins or uniquely struck pieces can be worth significantly more, even reaching $50 to $100. For a flawless, uncirculated 1994 1 penny graded by top certification companies like PCGS or NGC, the maximum value can currently reach $150 to $200. This depends on its rarity and demand among collectors. The key to unlocking the full potential of your 1994 1 penny is its condition. Coins graded as brilliant uncirculated are far more valuable than those showing signs of wear. Even a slight blemish can significantly impact the value. Looking ahead, the value of the 1994 1 penny could soar to $5,000 or more in the coming decades. With increasing interest in Queen Elizabeth II memorabilia and vintage coins, this penny has all the ingredients to become a future collector's gem. Collectors are drawn to the 1994 1 penny for its connection to Queen Elizabeth II's legacy, its historical context, and the nostalgia it evokes. As time passes, coins from this era will gain more sentimental and monetary value. While the 1994 1 penny isn't extremely rare now, it's becoming harder to find in high grades. Coins preserved in excellent condition or those with minting errors are in high demand, making them more valuable. But wait, there's more to discover about this remarkable coin. Let's dive deeper. Some 1994 1 penny coins might have errors, such as die cracks, doubling, or off-center strikes. These imperfections are highly sought after by collectors and can dramatically increase a coin's value. It's not just UK collectors who are interested in the 1994 1 penny. This coin has caught the attention of international numismatists, adding to its desirability and value. If you own a 1994 1 penny in excellent condition, consider selling it on platforms like eBay, at coin auctions, or through specialized dealers. Depending on its condition and uniqueness, you could secure a great price. For collectors, owning a 1994 1 penny is about more than just its monetary value. It's about holding a piece of history, a tangible connection to a defining era of British currency. The 1994 1 penny might look ordinary, but its true value lies in its rarity, condition, and the stories it carries. Each coin is a potential treasure waiting to be discovered. If you're a coin enthusiast or just starting your collection, don't overlook the humble 1 penny coin. Coins like the 1994 issue have proven that even the smallest denominations can hold immense value. One of the most exciting parts of coin collecting is the thrill of finding a hidden gem. Whether it's in your spare change or at a market, keep your eyes open for valuable coins like the 1994 one penny. As part of Queen Elizabeth II's reign, the 1994 one penny represents a legacy of stability and tradition. This connection adds to its appeal among collectors worldwide. So, is the 1994 UK Elizabeth II one penny valuable? Without a doubt. Its current value is growing, and its future potential is even brighter. Keep hunting, keep collecting, and remember, every coin has a story waiting to be told. Thanks for watching CU Coin Value. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting coin adventures.